How to download ChatGPT on Mac. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the official ChatGPT app on your Mac. So let's start. First, open your browser and search ChatGPT download Mac at the search bar and then hit return. Now click on the first link, download ChatGPT. Now scroll down to the footer or check OpenAI's Help Center for a direct download link. Now under for desktop, you will see the link download for macOS. Click on the link and it will start automatically downloading. After downloading, open the .dmg file to install the ChatGPT. Just drag the ChatGPT icon into your application folder. Now go to your application folder or launchpad, open ChatGPT and log in with your OpenAI account. That's it. You now have ChatGPT installed on your Mac.